Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi Q4 E Tron Q4 Sportback Launch Edition. It comes finished in the gorgeous Mythos Black, shorter-turn headsman on the road, with AC and DC charging access points positioned on the right rear of the vehicle. The charging port supports both AC and DC charging, providing flexibility depending on the available infrastructure. The 11 kilowatt onboard charger ensures efficient AC charging, ideal for home or workplace charging setups. At the time of this recording, the car has done 43,840 miles. Standing on 20-inch alloy wheels with a 5V spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full of shopping. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs, as well as those large items such as pushchairs and suitcases. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery with a centre armrest with two handy cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. Showing you round, as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike, as well as two USB charging points to keep your devices powered up. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control zone. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic S&Boss logo and a front centre armrest. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. Connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones on the go, and a wide variety of your favourite DAB radio stations to sing along to. If you like listening to your playlists, then you'll love this SONOS sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with charging to take advantage of off-peak charging tariffs. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. And driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, and radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations, and the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the 3-zone electric climate control, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox with electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and 2 USB ports to help your phone devices stay fully charged. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.